you have just seen your name on the list, a big congratulations to you. If your name is not on the list, stay with me because I will show you exactly what to do next. Gcub results are finally out, and while everyone is celebrating, the big question remains: what happened next? Welcome back to the channel. This is Knowledge Plug, and on this channel I make content about studying and living well even as a foreigner in Brazil. And if you have just seen your name on the list, a big congratulations to you. And if your name is not on the list, stay with me because I will show you exactly what to do next. The first thing is to stay alert for the official email from Gcub or your host university. That emails confirm your placement, course, and next steps, including arrival details especially. So I would want you to keep checking your folder daily. Don't rely only on the website list. The email is the real confirmation, and I would like you to take it easy because a lot is currently happening in Brazil right now. Brazil is hosting like almost the whole world, current host of the United Nations Conference. So like almost all the universities right now are kind of closing because of this event. However, don't panic. Eventually we're going to get the email either from your school or from Gcub. So while you're waiting for the confirmatory email, be it from the school or from Gcub, next thing you should start doing is start preparing your documents immediately. Documents like your passport, your academic transcript, your police clearance, and maybe insurance or medical report. If your passport expires soon, renew it now. Those who prepare early move faster once the embassy opens appointment. Now, the moment you receive the confirmation or the confirmatory email, I would recommend that you should email your course coordinator or international office of the school where you are selected. Introduce yourself and thank them. It is very, very important. Appreciate them, appreciate the committee, and thank them for the opportunity, and ask about upcoming registration or further support. That single message can open doors for you. I'm one of the recipients of the first edition of Gcub, so it is a path that I've charted, and whatever I'm telling you on this group is nothing but the truth. So after thanking your school, after sending email to your school upon getting your admission letter or whatever email from the school, the next thing is for you to start preparing for your visa. The visa category you're going to be needing of is called Vital 4 or student visa. So you apply at the Brazilian consulate in your region. For example, if you are a Nigerian, you're going to be applying in Lagos. You will need your acceptance letter, proof of financial support, police reports, and some other documents. But I don't want you to panic. I know some of you might be like, oh, but Gcub comes with stipend. Nonetheless, there will still be need for you to show proof of funding. And if you are wondering what amount should I have or should be in the account of whoever is going to be sponsoring me, you can watch this video for you to have like an insight on the amount that should be in your account. This can be in your account, and it can be in the account of someone that is going to sponsor you. So in summary, for people that is going to be applying for the student visa, you will need your acceptance letter, proof of financial support, police report, and some other documents. So if you were selected in this current edition of Gcub, don't walk the path alone. There is a private community of Nigerian scholars in Brazil, including previous Gcub awardees. They share real experiences, visa samples, travel tips, and even connect you to scholars already in your university. If you would like to join, send me your name and your WhatsApp phone number on TikTok. I've seen people already creating fake WhatsApp groups pretending to be Gcub officials or coordinators. Don't join any group. Don't join any group that promises help or charges fee. We have a verified scholars networks for Nigerians who got GCUB. If you want to join, just send me your number privately on TikTok, not here in the comments. And now, to those who didn't get this time, I need you to listen closely. Your dream is still valid. GCUB is not the only door to Brazil. So right now, many universities are open for direct international applications, especially through their postgraduate programs. If you act fast, you can get admission the same season and resume around the same time as the GCUB awardees. Programs in the areas like business, biotechnology, education, environmental science, nursing, and computer science are currently accepting candidates. So don't spend the next few weeks feeling defeated. Spend it sending new applications. Improve your research proposal, fix your documents, and be ready to even send code emails to professors. Remember, many people you see traveling to Brazil this year didn't get GCUB. They applied directly to universities and secured the admission. You can do the same. So whether your name appeared or not, don't let this moment waste. You can still start your academic journey this year if you move fast. For those that were selected, prepare smartly and connect with others. Again, for those that were not selected, don't disappear. Reposition yourself. Don't forget, if you got the GCUB, I want to join the WhatsApp group of the previous awardees for mentorship and guidance. Send me your number only through TikTok. I will verify you personally before adding you to the network. As I bring it to close, remember that getting selected is a blessing, but staying focused is what makes it last. And not getting selected is not a failure, it's just a delay. And you know how the saying goes, that delay is not denial. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you know any GCUB recipients, try to share this video with them. If you need further clarification of any kind, you can drop it in the comments. And if you are looking for opportunity to apply in Brazil, you can watch this video. I will see you in subsequent one. Até breve. Ciao, ciao.